Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Make sure your Apple Watch is unlocked, paired, and has wrist detection on. This lets it recognize you. Once done, open Settings on the watch or iPhone and enable Emergency SOS and fall detection so the watch can act automatically. To trigger help, press and hold the side button until the Emergency SOS slider or countdown appears. Keep holding to start the call and notify your emergency contacts. This immediate action connects you quickly when seconds matter. Once the call starts, use your voice clearly into the watch microphone because the watch dials local emergency services and shares your medical ID. This helps first responders prioritize care. If you cannot speak, tap the screen to send a per-written message or use Scribble. Make sure your emergency contacts are listed in the Health app so they receive your name, medical ID details, and location. Also, make sure the watch has cellular or iPhone nearby, because connectivity affects whether calls and location go through. After help arrives, end the call and inform responders of any changes. Make sure the watch logs the event for later review. If the watch failed to place a call, first check cellular signal and whether your iPhone is nearby and unlocked. Then confirm emergency SOS and fall detection are still enabled. If problems persist, restart the watch, update Watch OS, and re-add emergency contacts. One key tip: test the SOS feature in a non-emergency moment so you know exactly how it behaves and what the audio looks like.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.